Hey guys, I'm Luli and I am a hairstylist in San Antonio, Texas. I have really curly hair, as you can tell. And some of the struggles I have with it, especially with hair ties, is they really flatten out my curls. I'm used to big body, so that's what I look for even when I style my hair. The ponytail is great for that. I don't lose any of my texture right by the face or right next to my skin. And best of all, when I pull it out, it doesn't yank out my hair or tear out my curls. I love it. Ponyo comes with a specific set of instructions that if used correctly, this product can just be everything that you need. It'll stay put, it'll be comfortable, and you'll look fabulous for the whole day. I'm gonna show you how to put it on. Just use this technique and it'll work. Hook your finger in your ponyo so you can grab your hair. Now put your thumb through the ponyo, and this is important for people with really thick hair. If you have multiple fingers in there, it's not gonna work. So using those two fingers, pull all of your hair through this ponyo. So once your hair's through, hold the pony close to your hair and drop the hair. Squash the ponyo. Now using opposing thumbs, bend the corners at a 90-degree angle. And repeat on the other side. So this is a great visual of what this is supposed to look like when your hair's in it. You're gonna squash it and bend it sharply and individually on each side. And this is it. This is on your hair. Ponyo definitely feels different. Right now my hair feels like there's nothing in it really, which in comparison to a ponytail, I would usually feel like I have a headache. It feels very tight. This doesn't feel tight, but it's very secure, as you can tell. So having worn elastics my whole life, I've developed the usual habit of doing this to tighten. That doesn't work with ponyo. It actually expands it and makes it loosen up. So what you want to do instead is pull your hair up, push the pony back down towards your head, and squeeze it together again. So I'm going to show you how to take it off. Unbend the corners. Open it up from the middle and release your hair. The best part is no creases, no hair in here, no pulling and tugging. So some of the benefits that I have found using my ponyo is that, first of all, it doesn't flatten my hair. It's super easy to use. I just get it on there. It looks great from the beginning. Whenever I'm taking it off, it doesn't rip out my hair and it doesn't leave a dent or a crease. It's just really easy. It's very comfortable.